Hello my dear students. Today we will solve the problems based on HCF and LCM frequently asked in competitive exams like Olympiad. Okay, and such type of questions may come in your final exams too. So here I'll give you the clear solution of these questions. These questions are very confusing. Many children get confused that which formula we have to use to solve this question, how we have to solve these questions to get the correct answer. Such problems you will not face if you watch this video. Okay, so let's solve with the first question. The first question is, two numbers are in the ratio 9:4 and their LCM is 108. What is the LCM of their sum and their difference? Such type of questions very complicated, so just go through this video very carefully. Okay, so here first we will gather the information given in the question. That is, they have given us the ratio of two numbers and LCM. Okay, and they have asked us to find the LCM of this sum and their differences. Okay, so let's start. See here, the numbers are in the ratio 9:4. Okay, ratio means what? If we divide any two numbers with a common number, then we get the ratio of that number. Okay, so here they have divided two numbers and then they got the ratio as 9:4. So what we have to do, we have to find first that common numbers, and when we multiply that common number with these ratios, then we will get the exact numbers. And here one more thing, that common numbers means the HCF only, because see here, HCF, when we split the HCF, when we expand the HCF, it is telling that it is the highest common factor, means it is a common factor. Okay, so let the common number or the HCF be X. Okay, so means the number becomes the 9x and 4x. Okay, so I'll tell you one formula here, that is product of numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. So when we use this formula here, it will give us the value of HCF. See here, first they have told us that product of numbers means we have to multiply this 9x and 4x. It will give us HCF into LCM. Okay, so let's write 9x into 4x, which is equal to, here HCF means x, okay, into LCM. Okay, now whenever we get any common letter or number, when something common between this left hand side and right hand side, we cut that. Okay, so here we have x, here also we have x. Here actually there are two x, but here only one x is there, so we will cut one x. Okay, so what we got now, 9 into 4x, which is equal to LCM. Now let's put the value of LCM. So first here 9 4s are 36, x, which is equal to 108. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to shift this 36 to the right side, as here it is performing multiplication operation. So when it goes to right side, it will perform division. Send this 36 to the right side. X is equal to 108 upon 36. Okay, now we have to simplify this fraction to get the simplest one. So let's start. So as these two numbers are the multiples of 9, so I am dividing this 36 by 9. 9 4s are 36 and 9 12s are 108. Now 4 1s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So what we got? We got x is equal to 3. So we got the value of HCF, that is equal to 3. Okay, so the numbers now became 9 into 3, which is equal to 27, and 4 into 3, which is equal to 12. So now we got the two numbers, that those are 27 and 12. But they have asked us to find the LCM of their sum and the difference. So the sum of 27 and 12 is 39 and difference of 27 and 12 is 15. Okay, so let's find the LCM of 39 and 15. Now, as both these numbers are the multiples of 3, so let's take 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now here 3 5s are 15. Now let's take 5. 13 will remain as it is. 5 1s are 5. Now 13 1s are 13. So when we multiply this, we will get the LCM, that is 3 5s are 15, 15 13s are 195, which is the final answer of this question. Okay, now let's see the second question. Here I have taken this second question. If the LCM of two prime numbers x and y is 209, where x is less than y, then find the value of 3y minus 2x is. Okay, now here they have given us the LCM of x and y, but they didn't give the prime numbers, so we have to find those numbers first. Okay, so let's gather the information which is provided in the question, that is LCM of x and y is 209 and x is less than y. Okay, and we have to find the value of 3y minus 2x. Okay, so whenever you will get LCM and you don't know the numbers, then what you have to do, you have to find the prime factorization of that LCM. Okay, so let's find the prime factorization of 209. This number won't get divided by 2. The sum also is not coming multiple of 3. So next prime is 5 won't work. Next 7 won't work. So let's divide this by 11. Okay, so 11 ones are 11. We got 9 as remainder. 11 nines are 99. Okay, now 19 is the prime number, so 19 ones are 19. Okay, now here we got exactly two numbers, so the numbers are 11 and 19, and they have given us the condition that x is less than y, means x is equal to 11 and y is equal to 19. Okay, now let's find the value of 3y minus 2x. So 3 into y means 3 into 19 minus 2 into 11. Okay, so 19 3s are 57 and 11 2s are 22. When we subtract, we will get the answer as 35. Therefore, the value of 3y minus 2x is 35. Okay, this is the final answer of this question. It's easy, but when you read the question, you will get confused that how to solve, which formula we have to use, and what we have to do, what procedure we have to do. All those confusions will get over when you watch this video. Okay, so let's take the third question. Here I am taking the third question as, if the ratio of two numbers is 3:5. Here also they have given the ratio. In the first question also they have given the ratio. Okay, if the ratio of two numbers is 3:5 and their HCF is 3, then find their LCM. Now they have given us the ratio and HCF and they have told us to find the LCM. So given is the ratio of two numbers is 3:5, HCF is 3 and LCM question mark. Okay, so as I told you that in the previous question only, in the first question I told you that HCF is a common factor, and when they give us the ratio, we have to multiply that ratio with the common number. Then we will get the answer as those numbers. So here they have already given us the common factor, that is 3. So directly we have to multiply this ratio with this number, with this HCF. We will get those numbers. So let the common number be x, that is HCF, which is equal to 3x. So the numbers are 3 into 3 is equal to 9 and 5 into 3 which is equal to 15. Okay, so we got the numbers as 9 and 15, but they have asked us to find the LCM. So what we will do, we will find the LCM of 9 and 15. That's easy. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15. So 3 1s are 3 and 5 will remain as it is. Now 5 ones are 5. So the LCM of 9 and 15 is 45, which is the final answer of this question. Okay, it's very easy, but makes it very confused. Okay, next question is fourth one, that is the product of two numbers is. Now they have given us the product and their HCF is 18 and find the LCM. Okay, so let's write the information. The product of two numbers is 11,016 and HCF is 18 and they have asked us to find the LCM. Okay, as we have the formula, that is product of two numbers is equal to product of HCF and LCM. So let's put the information in this formula. 11,016 is equal to 18 into LCM because 18 is an HCF. Okay, so let's send this 18 towards the left side. Okay, as it is performing here multiplication, so when it goes that side it will get divided. Okay, so 11,016 upon 18, which is equal to LCM. Okay, as both the numbers are even, but let's divide it by 9. Okay, so 2 9s are 18 and here 2 5s are 10. We got 1 as remainder, so this became again 10. 2 5s are 10. Now we have 1 which won't get divided by 2, so 2 zeros are 0. Now we got 1 as remainder, then it became 16. 2 8s are 16. Okay, now this number gets divided by 9, so 9 1s are 9 and 9 6 are 54. 1 we got as remainder, so now 9 1s are 9. Again we got 1 as remainder, so 9 2s are 18. Therefore the LCM is equal to 612. Okay, so this is the answer of this fourth question. Now let's move to the fifth one. It is the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 28 and 1176 respectively. If the difference between the numbers is 308, then the numbers can be. Okay, now here they have provided us the information as HCF is 28 and LCM is 1176 and difference between those numbers is 308. Okay, and now we have to find the numbers. Okay, so what we will do, first I'll tell you one thing, that always LCM is divisible by HCF. Okay, so we have to find the number by which the LCM gets divided by HCF. Okay, so let's find. So LCM upon HCF, which is equal to 1176 upon 28. Okay, so let's divide it by 7. 7 4s are 28. Here 7 1s are 7. We got 4 as remainder. Now 7 6 are 42. Now we got 5 as remainder. 7 8s are 56. So now by 4 1s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. So we got 42 as the answer when we divide LCM by HCF. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find the factors of 42. Okay, and those are 1 into 42, 2 into 21, 3 into 14 and 6 into 7. These are the factors of 42. Okay, and both are co-prime numbers, right? The pair is co-prime numbers, right? Why I made this like this way, because we have to find the numbers such that we will get the difference as 308. Now we have to multiply this pair with HCF to get the difference. Okay, so to get the numbers, see, first I'll take 1 into 28 and 42 into 28, which is giving the answer as this one. When we now let's multiply this second pair. 2 into 28 gives 56, 21 into 28 gives 588. Now the third pair, 3 into 28 gives 84 and 14 into 28 gives 392. Now fourth pair is 6 into 28 gives 168. 7 into 28 gives 196. Now what we have to do? We have to find the difference between these numbers. So 1176 minus 28 gives us 1148. Now here we are getting difference as 532. Here we are getting difference as 308 and here we are getting difference as 28 and we need the difference as 308, right? Therefore, the numbers are 392 and 84. Okay? And this is the final answer of this question. This question was a bit complicated. It's very easy. First you have to divide this LCM by HCF, then you will get one number. You have to find the factors of that number and you have to make a pair of the co-prime numbers from the factors and you have to multiply those pairs with HCF and you have to find the difference between them. Which difference gets matched, those numbers are the answers. Okay, so it's very easy. If you like my teaching, then please subscribe, and if you want explanation of such questions, please comment me in the comment box. I'll explain you in my next video. Okay, so bye everyone and please subscribe.